again Rajesh sir on Rajesh sir YouTube channels. Today we will also discuss about the real numbers or chapters in class 10. Okay, so class 10 subject is real numbers, and we are discussing here the facts, that is factor theorems of arithmetics. Okay, so factor theorems, first of all we will define factor theorems of arithmetics. Factor theorem of arithmetic. Okay, factor theorem of arithmetics, this is topics. Okay, so according to the factor theorem of arithmetics, according to this, according to the factor theorem of arithmetics, according to, every composite number can be written or factorized as a prime numbers, as a primes, as a product of prime, as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique. Okay, this factorizes can be written in factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is always be a unique. So uniques apart from the order in which apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. Okay, prime factors occurs. Apart from the ones prime factors occur. Fundamental mental theorem of arithmetic is also called unique factorization theorem. Okay, it is also called unique factorization theorems. These are the unique factorization theorems. So composite number is equal to the product of composite number is called product of prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers. So composite number always be a product of prime numbers. What it's are any integers greater than 1 or any integer greater than 1. Any integers greater than 1 either be a prime number or a product of r can be written in a product of prime factors of prime factors. Okay, these are, suppose that we are giving examples, we will give the example 6 can be written as example 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Okay, where 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Here is prime number. 2 and 3 can be written here. It's said to be the prime numbers. And suppose that primes numbers here, the factors can be found in division methods in which we divides and the number by prime numbers, and the factors are factor tree methods. Okay, so express, suppose that second example. Okay, second example, suppose that here is, suppose that 1001, express 1000 as a product of its prime factors. Express 1001 is as a product of its prime factor. Okay, so first of all, product of its prime factors. So for the factor trees, we will form factor trees. First factor tree 1001 we have taken here. Got it? So it's we divide 7 143 by 7, you got here 143 divided by 11, we will get here 1001 sevens and 7 divided 143 and 11 divides and 11s, and again here is 11 3s are 30, 11 3s are 13, and 13 is divided and can be 1. Got it? 11 13 divided by 13, so here is the 1000 is equal to 1000 1 is equal to 7 into 11 into 13. Got it? 7 into 11 into 30s. These are 7, 11 and 30s are primes numbers and factorizations. Okay, the prime factors which is expressed as a product of, so 1001 is expressed as a product of prime factors 7 into 11 into 30s. Okay, these are the prime factors can be expressed. Okay, so suppose that we will take another examples. Explain why 3 into 5 into 7. Second example, here we will take the example. Explain example we will take here. Explain 3 into 5 into 7 plus, okay, 7 plus 7 is a composite numbers. As we know that composite number will always be written as a we have given a formula that's all composite numbers means that composite number is equal to the product of the prime numbers. Okay, so composite product of prime numbers or composite numbers. So product of the prime numbers can be written here. So how we will solve these questions? So we know that here can be product of the prime numbers is always be written. Okay, prime factors are 1 twice. Okay, so composite number is equal to product of prime numbers, as we know that as here so 3 into 5 into 7 plus 7 is equal to, we can write here the 105 plus 7 is equal to 112. Okay, prime factorizations, we will do the prime factorization. Okay, prime factorizations of 112. So we will take here, and we will prime to do the prime factorization. So we will get here 2 power 4 into 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 2 power 4 into 7. Got it? So here is the 2 power 7 into 7. We have got it. So it is product of prime factors 2 and 7. Okay. So it is the product of two prime factors 2 and 7. Okay, 2 and 7 prime factors product, and can be and other than ones. So 2 and 7 other than 1. So it is composite numbers. So other than ones, 2 and 7 prime factors, these number are the prime factor are 2 and 7, so other ones, so it's a composite number. Means that those number, you know, the prime numbers and composite numbers are already prime numbers which can be divided one and itself, and the composite numbers one itself and other also can be other anyone. The other ones other than ones, one and itself can be divided other than ones and itself is said to be the composite number. This is the definitions. According to this, we have proved that this is the composite number. Okay, so question number, suppose that example uh, we have taken example. Yes, for the example we will take here 6 n power 4, whether n is the, check whether n power 4 n power 4, check n power 4, sorry, 4 power n is n, where n is a natural number can be end with, where n is the natural number can be, n is the natural numbers can be end with the digit 0, end with the digit 0. Okay, can be end with the digit 0 for any natural number n, for any natural number n. Okay, so what we will do, first of all, sir, in these questions, first numbers we will do the digit zeros, then divisible by 2. So given numbers, let's assume therefore end with 0 and is divisible by 2 and 5s. If 4 is divisible by 2 and 5s, then it would be otherwise not. So 4 prime factors of 4 prime factors, 4 is equal to 2 and 2 and is equal to 2 power 2. So it is not a, it is only factor of 2. Okay, not a other than, sorry, not a 5s, not a 5s, 5. So it is, so this number cannot be divisible by not a 5s. So our assumptions 4 to the power n with 0 is wrong. Hence there is no natural number for n for which. So there is no natural number for n for being 0. Okay, so it is not factor. So second questions we have solved it, given these types of the questions we can solve here. Okay, so I hope that you understood all the problems related to arithmetics. Means that arithmetics, the factor theorem of arithmetics deals that the can be written in forms in a factorized or a product of the primes, and its factorization is unique, and this unique it's a factorization apart from which the R in which the prime factors occurs. Okay, so these are the fundamental theorems. I hope that you understood the fundamental theorems. Thank you very much.